everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking this video. Do you know 80% of communicable disease is transferred by touch? Washing your hands with soap will remove germs from your hand and it will reduce the transfer of diseases. So in this video, I will show you guys how you can make hand wash at your home in this period of lockdown with only 2 ingredients, that is soap and water. And it will only cost you 10 rupees.
Wow!
If you're new, please subscribe my channel and also smash that like button if you like this DIY and support me by sharing this video. So let's see how you can make it. Grate or finely chop a bar of soap. You can also use a grater or knife to grate it. Now pour water in a saucepan and bring it to boil. Then turn the heat in medium and add your soap flakes. Stir it constantly until soap dissolves into the water. At this point, the mixture will be very liquidy. Also, after it is all dissolved, remove this mixture from the heat. After this, keep it aside and let it cool for 7 to 8 hours. And if you're making this hand wash in the evening, then you should check it the next morning.
The next morning.
Wow, the mixture is so thick and it's like jelly. Finally, for super smooth consistency, run your finished liquid soap through a blender and pour into your dispenser. If the mixture is too liquidy, reheat it and add more soap to it. But if it seems too thick, reheat it and add more water.
Nice.
If you're satisfied with the consistency, pour it into soap dispenser and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye. हाथ कैसे धुलाते हो सर? ऐसा आएगा हाँ. thumbs up करो.